Hey guys, welcome to the video. Have you ever wanted to edit your videos, cut them fine, make sure all the audio is synced? Well, today we're going to do that for you. We're going to show you how to sync up the video, sync up the audio, and some techniques that I use to make everything combine into one. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. Right, so first thing you want to do here, guys, is you want to open up Premiere Pro, which down here, well, not for you, it'll be installed to your wherever you've saved it to. This screen pops up. Now we go over to new project. You want to name it, so we're going to name it today Sync Audio and Video. Okay, I'm not going to waste a lot of you guys' time. I'm going to go through it quite quick. I'm a quick talker, so if you do want to, you can slow the video down, or you can pause, you know, the parts where I'm giving you the help. So we're going to go over here, right here. This is where you're going to import your media, import all your audio and your video files. Up here is the source of the information, so your video or your audio, or the audio mixer and the effects that you've got on. Don't worry too much about this. This is just a basic tutorial for now. I will eventually get onto editing tutorials advanced if you do want to see that. We're going to go over here to import media. We're going to right click import, go to desktop. I've already done some tests right now, and we've got some test files. We've got we're going to go to test V, which is the test video with no sound coming out of it, and we're going to right click and import test A, which is the test audio, if I can find it. There it is, test audio, import. So they're both there. They're our files we want, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to drag this over to here. Drop media here to create sequence, you see? Just drag and drop. That's all it takes. And here we are. We're at the video. So, as you can see, if I skip a bit and I play, you can't hear me. There's no sound, there's nothing like that, nothing on this. So what we've done, you've done a little method. We've recorded our audio, we've done a little method. Oh, that's what I'm doing the wave. Alright, so you see here, if I play this video, I'm clapping. Now this is a clap trick. This is what you use if you're recording your audio separate to your video. So I'm going to show you how to sync these up right now. So we're going to drag our cursor down to the first clap that we do. Got it, so I'm doing the dolphin. And we need to find the moment where I make impact when I clap, right? So if I go down to here, bang, that's when I make impact, okay? So if you go down to this bar here, this zooms your stuff in and out. If you hold this and drag to the left, it will zoom in. If you drag it to the right, it will zoom out, okay? We're going to zoom in. We're going left to this bit, and then we're going to drag in our audio file, okay? And we're going to just say, we're going to drag that there, okay? This is going to load in a bit and then show us the wave format. Let me quickly have a look. Let me zoom out again. Aha. So we found our culprit right here, you see? If I zoom into this part, there's these random spikes right here. I'm sure you can see that. This is actually us clapping. So we clapped 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is behind this little bit of the screen. If I move this out of the way. Oh, maybe not. I'll zoom out a little bit more. There you go. You see it there? Oh, maybe did we clap 4 times? Maybe it wasn't 5.
You fucking idiot!
Okay, well, so we clapped 4 times. Right there, you see the spike, and then you see right here is where I was starting to speak. So we go back. We use the scrubber to go back to the first clap that we did. We go in, doing the worm with our hands. Smack. That's when we make impact. So what you want to do, you want to go down here to the toolbar, and here we have a razor tool, which is the cutting tool. Click that, head over to this bit and cut right before the clap, okay? Right there. And then you can just press delete, and it will delete that left side of the audio. And then we're going to go up here to our selection tool, okay? And we're going to grab this little waveform here, and we're going to drag it all the way across to here, okay? So you're going to see a problem now if I click play, and I'll explain about that in a second. We don't need to use any of these other tools yet. So if you do want another video on this, I will show you. Do not worry. If I zoom in here, so we get a bit more fine tuning, right? If I play it, it should be in sync, if I'm correct. It's a little bit delayed, tiny bit delayed. Because if you get one little movement wrong, look, if I move this to the right, yeah, if you accidentally do the timing wrong or you don't fine tune it, this is what happens. Hi guys, I just want to explain that the audio playback wasn't working for some reason, but that red bar at the bottom right will spike every time I clap. That's the explanation, sorry. Zoom in. We're going to drag our audio file right on top of where we impact. So the big spike is where you want it to land, right there. And then zoom out again so we can see it all in good format. We play. There you go, you see? And it should be in sync. That's ready to go for your audio file, okay? There's a different topic with the gameplay. So I didn't record any gameplay footage, but if you would want to record your gameplay separately, all you have to do, make sure you've got your audio, so your mic recording, make sure your mic is muted on OBS or whatever software you're using to record. And then what you're going to want to do is when you're on the main home screen of the game, instead of doing the clap method, you want to go to like the start new game, and you want to move your mouse down to each selection. So you want to go down, 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 down. Every time you hit up, the next option, because what that's gonna then do is it's going to enable you to sync the game with the audio and with your webcam. So I hope that's not too confusing for you guys. Thank you for watching. If you would like me to do an updated video, I will. Because that probably would be useful to add the gameplay in, but this will help you with if you want to record your webcam with your game. You can just sync it all up together, the audio separate and the webcam separate. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you later.